Most people get Reddit's NSFW settings wrong, assuming they can't control adult content on mobile. The good news is, you can turn it off in just a few steps. Here's how. Step 1. Open the Reddit app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. This opens the account menu. Most people get this wrong by trying to find settings in the wrong tab. Step 2. Tap Settings at the bottom of the menu. Scroll down until you see Account Settings. Step 3. Look for the option labeled Adult Content or NSFW Content. Toggle it off. You may need to confirm your choice. This blocks NSFW posts from appearing in your feed. Most people get this wrong by not saving changes, leaving NSFW content visible. Step 4. Optional Adjust community-specific settings. Some subreddits may still show NSFW posts if you're subscribed. To fully filter content, you can leave these communities or block them individually. Step 5. Refresh your feed. You'll notice that NSFW content no longer appears in search results or your homepage. This makes browsing safer, especially for younger users or shared devices. In conclusion, turning off NSFW content on Reddit for mobile is simple once you know where to look. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's permanent or that it can't be customized per account. Subscribe for more practical Reddit guides that keep your browsing safe and stress-free.